guys, this is Felix in Indonesia. So you can see in our left hand, Felix in Indonesia. There is too much a house. See on the left side, corn. This is corn, guys. This is rice field. Hello guys, welcome to Indonesia again. Bakso or baso is an Indonesian meatball or a meat paste made from beef surimi. Its texture is similar to the Chinese beef ball, fish ball or pork ball. The word bakso may refer to a single meatball or the complete dish of meatball soup. Mie bakso refer to bakso served with yellow noodle and rice vermicelli, while bakso kuah refers to bakso soup served without noodles. Bakso can be found all across Indonesia, from street vendors to high-class restaurants, along with soto, satay, and siomay. Bakso is one of the most popular street foods in Indonesia. Today, various types of ready-to-cook bakso are also available as frozen food sold in supermarkets in Indonesia. It is usually eaten with noodles. Bakso is commonly made from finely ground beef with a small quantity of tapioca flours and salt. However, bakso can also be made from other ingredients, such as chicken, pork, fish, or shrimp. Unlike other meatball recipes, bakso has a consistent, firm, dense, homogeneous texture due to the polymerization of myosin in the beef surimi. As most Indonesians are Muslim, which observe halal dietary law, generally bakso is made from beef, chicken, or mixture of beef with chicken. While in non-Muslim majority area, such as in Chinatown in major cities and Hindu majority island of Bali, pork bakso might be found. Traditionally, the beef surimi paste or dough is made into balls by hands and boiled into hot water. After the meat is done, the meatballs are dried and served or refrigerated for later use. Pre-cooked bakso are usually displayed in the windows of street vendor carts. Bakso are usually served in bowl and beef broth with yellow noodles, bihun, or rice vermicelli, salt, vegetable, tofu, egg wrapped within bakso, Chinese broccoli, bean sprout, siomay, or steamed meat dumpling in the end crisp wonton, sprinkled with fried salad and calorie. Slices of bakso are often used and mixed as complement in mie goreng, nasi goreng, or capcay recipes. Okay guys, today I want to find a bakso, and then because today is too hot, I think we wanna go to find some bakso for lunch. So guys, I just want to let you know, if you going to Indonesia or maybe you stay in not in Indonesia, just try find in the Google how to make this food, because this food is very delicious and the taste is amazing. So you can try, because I know most of you stay in the cool area, not it's like in Indonesia in a hot area. So you can try it, you can try the taste. Guys, don't forget to drink ice if you want to eat bakso. Okay guys, I think enough for today. So we wanna say sorry if my English is not good yet. I just want to show you bakso in Indonesia is very nice. Thank you very much for watch this video. Don't forget to write your question at the comment below. See you in the next video and goodbye.